Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So clear on 51, right? We know exactly what's going on. We know exactly where it's going. We know exactly the short-term direction. We look at that. Look at that beautiful bounce again. Boom, bang, bing, right? 51. Entry long 51, and remember, what is that? 57. Where here it is. 57, and of course, 58, right? 58. That's a swing high that even the fake gurus on YouTube know, right? So, but remember where we're going, right? Where did I say we're going? 61, right? Here it is. 61.
Yep.
Okay, and then 61 was the other one? 61, 63, 68.
68, yeah.
Boom. Let it ride. And we know exactly the stop, right? 51. How long we've known 51, Mystic?
Since the open.
Since the
Since they opened the mic.
since they opened the mic.
Yeah.
Exactly. Right? Look at
9
it.
o'clock.
To the tick. Again. Just let it ride. Just like yesterday, we made 40, 50, 60 points yesterday. Let's go ahead and make 30, 40, 50 points again today. Alrighty then. So it's the, right. So 59, of course. Everybody know 59, right? Okay. So our levels are 61, 63, and 68. This bounce long right here, 51, we want to ride it all the way to 68. 51, 68, right? That's 17 points, isn't it?
Yes.
And not only we need to know where it's going, but how it's going to do it. And what else is extremely important that we know? This is short term. I am expecting, because remember, we are all about the future. I am expecting later on a recoil, a pullback, and I'm expecting the bears to take over. Right now, the bulls are in control. All right, so let's see if that happens. If it doesn't happen, terrific. We just made 18 points if we get our target 68. Right now, we are 51 to 60. Well, that's pretty good. That's 9 points already.
Correct.
So I believe that's 61.
That's right.
Ladies-
Mouse is plus 10.
Plus 10, everybody in the room? Okay, terrific.
Well, mouse.
Oh, okay. All right, so 68, ladies and gentlemen. We are after 18 points, target 1. All right, this is target 1. 68, target 1. Okay, the reason I gave you this 61 and 63 resistances is because we need to know that these are going to stop it from going to 68. Oh, okay. You know, and so that we are prepared. We're not gonna let this smart money shake us out. Okay. All right. So in other words, what is it that we want? Well, since we are already long 51 and we want to ride it all the way to 68, and this is the short term, right? What is it that we would like to happen? Well, that the adorable trend, the one in the future, never comes. We just want this one to continue going so that we can get out our three targets. Target 1, target 2, target 3. Target 1 is 68. I know a lot of you guys here in the trading room are probably getting out here because I told you 61, 63 is going to be the first resistance. Of course, we just 12 points in 12 minutes. I know, that's pretty good. But remember that we are professional traders, okay? So we got to stick with the plan. All right, so what is it that we want? We don't ever want to see the price, what I call a little while ago, the price going down in the future, but we know that the smart money has that card under their sleeve. So we are prepared. But we don't want to have it. We just want to manage this long 51 all the way to target 168. If it gets there, and target 2 and target 3 that I don't have yet, but I will have it because the smart money, they leave track. They cannot hide it. Yeah, what's
I
up?
have a small hangover about there.
Aha, ladies and gentlemen. So look, didn't I look at that, the mid range, 61, 63. I told you 61, 63 is gonna be the first resistance that that everybody's gonna be tempted getting out. Look at what just happened, Mystic. 61, 63 was the mid-range, 62. Look at that. Price goes to 62 quarter, and bang, look at that pullback already all the way to 59. So I understand, when I told you, I know some of you are getting out right here plus 12. And that's why I told you about this resistance, so that so you know exactly not only where the price is going, but how it's gonna get there. All right. Okay, remember, 68, solid. Target one. Target one, we're gonna short it. Counter trend with a smaller position, expecting, right? The reason 68 is target one is because it's resistance. It's gonna give us 17, 18 points, right? The reason we want to get out there is because it's resistant. If it is resistance, then I'm expecting the price to recoil and pull back a little bit. Let's take advantage of it. All right? And let it ride here. Of course, stop break even, start trailing, and make 64. So we already have 13 points. Make sure that you keep it, of course. I know it's a cliche mistake, never, right? Never let a winner turn into a loser. But
not a cliche.
It's one of those cliche truism that just happens to be true. All right.
Correct.
All the fake gurus on YouTube and all that garbage right there,
They don't
they tell you that because they learn it from somewhere. But it's true. You know what I mean?
I know exactly.
Okay. Consumer sentiment, ladies and gentlemen, 10 a.m. I told you that the smart money under their sleeve, they were just expecting to drop the price. I told you, right? Well, they cannot hide. So imagine, we know how the market is going to react after a major economic release. Consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. Haven't I been telling you since 9 a.m. this morning that the smart money, they have a car in their sleeve, they're going to drop the price? We knew it an hour ago. Look at it. And in the meantime, we took 13 points. We went long that 51 that gave us all the way to 64. Yes, I know, CAPI, but we wanted 68. I know. But I told you, right? Keep it. We never let a winner turn into a... All right. Continue. So the confirmation is the break of 51. We believe it will continue going all the way to 43 and 30, 40 and 36. Right? So since when we've known that when the bears take control, which they just took control right there at our by way of 63, right? We've known it since 9 a.m. We've known 43, and Goldman Sachs just called me and told me that they're going to continue riding it to 40 and to 36. And if they don't, then we change hats again and we continue day trading, which is our job, is to change hats as many times need be. Confirmation is the breaking of 51. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 43. All right, ladies and gentlemen, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that that's 36 to the tick. It's not just 36. It's 36 to the tick. To the tick. To the tick again. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go to target 2. All right? All right, let's do it. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we have 27 target 2. And remember, that's it. Friday, I'm out of here. You go ahead, and I'm going to close the video. But continue watching and let me know if the price ever goes to our target 227. And most importantly, and this is really the most important, if it's not live, it's not real. Period. All that crap out there, all these fake gurus desperate, wanting to sell you their crap course, Just tell them, read the market live, real time. If they don't do it, it's because it's not real. They're not real traders. If it's not live, it's not real. That's all there is to it.